Does Lime keep my idea confidential? So we get this question all the time. We work with a lot of independent inventors that aren't really sure about the process. It's good to be safe about your ideas. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're always safe when you don't want to just tell anybody about your idea. However, that being said, if you don't trust a few people, it's going to be very difficult to bring your idea to life by yourself, right? So it's really about working together in a team, and we protect you with our online NDA, which there will be a link. Also, our NDA is available online at limecreativedesign.com/NDA. That'll take you right to an NDA. It's a mutual non-disclosure agreement for you to read. Make sure you understand everything. It's a very standard document that we do with all our clients. Also, it's done DigiSign, so it's painless to get the documents out of the way. We keep your project confidential. In the future, when you start sharing your project on social media, then we would love to help share your product and get it in front of other people at the right time. So what the NDA does is it keeps our conversations between you and my team confidential. It doesn't include any kind of guarantees that we're going to work together or any kind of, it's not a contract of any kind of delivery of products. It is specifically a document that states that we, as Lime Design and Radius Design Consultants LLC, that we understand the importance of confidentiality. Rest assured, your product idea is safe with us.